Are you worried because of others? Are you losing control of your life? Are you looking for becoming master of your life? Then you are in the right place. Hello, my high achievers. Nurture Body Mind Soul welcomes you all in understanding the important message in this quote. Never give your life's remote control to others. Rather, be the master and take full charge of your life. We have the understanding that situation, environment, persons are influencing majorly to become what we are today. We are giving complete power to the situation, persons, or environment. The major problem in this understanding is we are never being taught that we are what today is based on our own thoughts. We have attracted our situation based on our own energy and energy that we created knowingly or unknowingly. Here I have to take complete responsibility of our lives, thoughts, feelings and actions. No one would come to change our life permanently. Depending on others, expecting that they will change your life is merely wasting your valuable time and energy. No one would be able to help me except myself. Try to understand deeply how it works. Students, parents can get them admission in one of the best school in their locality. However, students have to take action of doing studies to get a good understanding of the subjects. In the same way, if anyone is feeling low or worried, there are so many people to give all sorts of suggestions. But it is always the personal choice to select few suggestions and apply in life towards healing processes to regain goodness in life. Therefore, my lovely high achievers, we have to unlearn our understanding that people, situation, environment are responsible towards making our lives. And let's learn new thing today that I am responsible for my life. What I am today is not based on what I desire or wish, but based on what I think and I feel. I become based on my own thoughts and feelings. It means what I am today is based on my own thoughts and emotion or feelings. I am also in this process of unlearning. Let's try to put efforts together at individual level to polish our lives just like we clean our houses. Let's clean our old wrong baggages that we have been holding and moving around. Let's do this short exercise to make it more effective. Slowly close your eyes and calm down your mind. Try to go deep within. Focus on your breath. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Now, silently repeat this with me. I am cleaning all the wrong understanding in my life and I am filling myself with all powerful positive knowledge. I am cleaning all the wrong understanding in my life and I am filling myself with all powerful positive information. I am cleaning all the wrong understanding in my life and I am filling myself with all powerful positive information. From today onwards, whenever we face any kind of unpleasant situations, let's try to knock the door of our inner self and let's go within ourselves to find the answers. We might have created such unpleasant thoughts that are coming to us in negative situations. When we evaluate in this manner, we would clearly see our thoughts and feelings. Gradually, in this process, we will be able to take full charge of our own life and soon the remote control of our lives will be in our own hands. Wow, how wonderful feeling of victory. Simple exercise of few seconds can be done anytime during the day or night. However, if you feel yourself with so much of such elevated, highly positive thoughts in the morning, first thing while on the bed or just before going to sleep at night, it would penetrate deeply into your subconscious mind and it would be automatic in life, just like breathing, which is natural. already we have lost hell lot of our energy and time in leading our lives based on wrong understanding. Now this is the golden time when we are about to welcome brand new year 2021. Let's promise to ourselves and start to unlearn wrong understanding or concept or belief one by one in our lives. It's my pleasure sharing my thoughts with all of you. I am extremely happy and grateful for being connected with all of you. I love you all and wish you a very, very beautiful, heavenly, abundant life on earth. Let all of us become angel in our families and for the universe. Kindly subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss the life-changing valuable content. Share it with your friends and family. Share your thoughts, feelings, experiences after applying this technique of all learn to learn new things in life in the comment below so that your story might be inspirational for others in this YouTube family. Kindly write down in the comment below how wonderful this life is. Love you all. Stay safe. Take good care of your thoughts and feelings. I'll see you tomorrow.